Hello Cambly learners, my name is Simon and I'm a tutor on Cambly. Today you'll be learning about uncountable nouns. What are uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns are simply things that we cannot count. This can include abstract ideas, qualities, or tiny objects, or shapeless things. For example, gases and liquids. We generally do not use a and an with uncountable nouns. Sometimes we can, and I will tell you about that later. How can you use uncountable nouns? We can use uncountable nouns with a singular verb. Uncountable nouns do not have a plural form. Can you think of any? Well, let's start with one of my favorites. Water. Water. Fill the bowls with water. Remember, we do use waters to mean a lake, a sea, and river. Next up is rice. Rice. I'm cooking rice for dinner, not a rice. So we don't pluralize rice as rices. What's next, you may ask? Well, milk. Milk. Would you like some milk? Milk, much like water, is uncountable, yet the carton is countable. Now for some tricky ones. Many nouns are countable in different languages, maybe yours, but uncountable in English. Some examples for you. Information. Information. I found all the information because it is just expressing ideas and experiences, much like advice, progress. So no plural advice or progress. And it would be careless of me to forget, careless. Careless. My dad would tell me off for being careless. Carelessness is used as a plural. For example, carelessness causes accidents. And as promised, we have a few uncountable nouns using a and an. We use a and an to limit nouns, referring to human emotions and mental activity. For example, I need a good sleep. Uncountable nouns are generally easy to understand. Before you ask, the word money is not a countable noun. Money, like water, air, sand, and salt, they're all uncountable. So if you aren't sure, take a look in a dictionary. It can be complicated. And here's a mini quiz for you. So the first one is accommodation. Is accommodation countable or uncountable? Well, it is uncountable. And then what about furniture? Is furniture countable or uncountable? Uncountable, fantastic. And next up, luggage. Luggage, is it countable or uncountable? You guessed it right, uncountable. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly gives you instant access to friendly native English speakers like me. You can take English lessons anytime, anywhere, right from your phone or computer. Schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.